Hello. This video is meant to show you how to log in to Imagine Learning.
There is an Imagine Learning icon on your iPad home screen. Please ignore it. If you were to press that icon, you would end up at the screen above. This screen is the wrong place to be. If you find yourself here, you need to exit out of Imagine Learning and go find the Clever app on your home screen and log in that way, and then choose Imagine Learning as the program your student will use. The remainder of this video will show you how to log into Imagine Learning the correct way.
Your first step is to find the Clever icon on your iPad home screen.
Once you've tapped the Clever icon, it will open Clever with the camera automatically on. This is so that students who have their Clever badge with them can just place that Clever badge with the QR code facing the camera, and the camera will log that student on and open Clever up right then. But don't despair if you don't have your Clever badge. You can instead choose to log in with username and password. If you press this blue rectangle, you will end up on the screen at the bottom. That's where you can type in your student's VPS ID and their password. That information should be on the paperwork that you received when you were given your iPad. Your student's VPS ID starts with the number 1 and has 6 digits. Your student's password is their birth date with 2 numbers for their month, 2 numbers for their day of birth, and then all 4 numbers from the year they were born. Once you've logged into Clever, you will see the different apps and activities that you will have available to your student through Clever. Typically, Clever is an app that opens up other apps, sometimes sending you to the internet to a saved page. In this case, we're looking to sign in to Imagine Learning, and Imagine Learning is right up here with the little robot.
Once you've logged in, a box will pop up asking you if you would like to open the app or install the app. The app should be installed on your iPad, so you would click Open the App. The first time you open Imagine Learning, it will ask you if you would like to allow access to the camera. We definitely want access, so please choose OK. On your first login, it will also ask if you would like to allow access to the microphone. Again, we would like the students to be able to read into Imagine Learning so that teachers can hear their reading. So click OK to allow access to the microphone.
Once you make it to this screen, that means that you are logged in. You should see your student's name right up in this corner. The next step is to choose the component that you want to go into, and we always want you to choose Imagine Language and Literacy. Please do not choose the Galileo assessment. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and happy learning!